And can I ask you a little personal question? Why Aruba?
Today, this time is for a birthday celebration.
First time on Aruba?
Yes.
How you love it?
It's great.
This is your Snide tour guide, Beach Lama. Follow the magic stick. Pomini na Udishibana. Welcome, ladies and gents, to the California Lighthouse. The name of this area is Udishibana, and the adjacent dunes are called Sasariwichi. Sasariwichi is Arawak word that means always use sunscreen except at night. The dunes are located close to West Point, the most northwestern point of the island. Obviously, you have enough common sense not to drive over Sasariwichi, so reminding you about that would be redundant. Both Udishibana and Sasariwichi are located to the northwest of the island and are accessible by all modes of transportation. Udishibana is an Arawak word that means please don't stack the rocks. It has a slight elevation that is accentuated by the ever-present and menacing hubadas, the epitome of thorns in the Caribbean. And it overlooks a good portion of the island that is a feast for the eyes, especially during sunset hours.
My name is Alexander.
And what do you do here, Alexander?
I host the Lighthouse dinner, the California Lighthouse of Aruba.
Tell us a bit about that.
Well, to start off with, it is a very exclusive dinner to only 2 lighthouses in the world. The other one being Newburyport, Massachusetts. And we've been doing lighthouse at top of the lighthouse of the California Lighthouse of Aruba since 2021.
The pièce de résistance is the California Lighthouse, named after the SS Californian that shipwrecked some 250 yards off the coast from West Point on or around the 10th of September 1891. The ship was a merchant vessel traveling from Liverpool to Barbados. As it was leaving Curacao after a short supply stop, it got shipwrecked in the aforementioned spot. The spot is recommended for avid, experienced divers that want to explore its remnants at its underwater archaeological site. The lighthouse was built in 1910 and named after the ship. I guess hindsight is truly 2020. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and like I always say, once a guest, always a friend. This is your Snide tour guide, Beach Lama. Follow the magic stick.